If you only have a few bucks and want to turn that into your first $500 in crypto, this video is for you. I'll show you a strategy that actually works, even if you're just starting out, even if you've never bought crypto before. We're breaking it into 3 clear steps: how to start, how to build, and how to grow without needing thousands of dollars. Let's go. Step 1, learn the basics without getting overwhelmed. Before throwing any money into crypto, you've got to understand what you're getting into. Crypto isn't just digital money. It's a new way of owning assets, transferring value, and building wealth without banks or borders. But here's the key. You don't need to know everything. You just need to get the basics down. Here's what that means. A wallet is where you store your crypto. Think of it like your digital bank account. You'll have a public key, like your username, and a private key, like your password. Never share this. A blockchain is the tech behind crypto. It's just a fancy word for a record book that's stored on thousands of computers. It's transparent, public, and can't be changed. Exchanges are where you buy and sell crypto: Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. These are like the stock markets of crypto. You can start with as little as $1. Once you know that, you're good to go. Don't get stuck learning forever. Take action. Step 2, start with what you can and use DCA. Let's say you only have $20, $50, or $100 to get started. The smartest move isn't going all in at once. It's using something called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. DCA just means putting in a small amount at regular intervals, like $10 a week, no matter the price. Why is this so powerful? Because you're not guessing the market. You're not chasing pumps. You're just building your bag slowly and consistently. It smooths out the risk and takes emotion out of the equation. It's how pros think, not gamblers. You can use platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini to automate this. Just set it and forget it. And if you really want to level up, use the Gemini credit card. You earn real Bitcoin every time you buy anything: groceries, gas, food, without paying extra. And if you use our referral link below, you'll get $50 in Bitcoin after your first statement period. Free crypto for doing what you already do. That's a no-brainer. If this is making crypto feel way more doable, hit that like button to let YouTube know you're serious about building wealth. And if you're already using a DCA strategy, comment DCA gang below. Step 3, earn while you learn. Airdrops, bounties, staking. You don't have to only buy crypto to grow your portfolio. You can earn it just by being active in the space. Let's break down a few easy ways. Airdrops. These are free tokens that projects send to early users or people who complete simple tasks. Follow a few Twitter pages, join a Discord, test their app. Boom, free tokens. People have made hundreds, even thousands, just from airdrops. Bounties. Some projects pay you in tokens to help out, like writing content, finding bugs, or promoting their launch. You're basically trading your time for crypto. Staking. When you hold certain coins like ETH or MATIC, you can lock them up and earn rewards. Think of it like earning interest on your crypto. Just make sure to use trusted platforms like Lido, Coinbase, or directly from your wallet. And for the real hustlers, yield farming and DeFi platforms let you earn by providing liquidity or participating in protocols. It's riskier, but if you research and go step by step, the rewards can be solid. Stay updated on upcoming airdrops and staking opportunities by following sites like Airdrop Alert, CoinGecko, and Crypto Twitter. The earlier you are, the bigger the upside. Look, going from $0 to $500 in crypto isn't about getting lucky. It's about being consistent, smart, and early. Here's your recap. Learn the basics. Don't overthink it. Start small with DCA and earn while you spend with the Gemini credit card. Use the system, airdrops, staking, and bounties to grow your bag while you sleep. This game rewards action takers, not spectators. So if this gave you a clear roadmap, subscribe for more real crypto strategies that actually work. This is Xupra Capital, where smart money gets started.